You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names that many get wrong, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning. So how do you pronounce this? Well, there are different ways of pronouncing it. This is a fairly common Catalan surname, and in Catalonia it is said as Pou. It's also a word in Maori in New Zealand, and there it is said as Pou. Now, it's also a popular video game, and it's often acknowledged that the video game is to be said as Pou, not Pow, Pou. That's what most people say, although we're not 100% sure. But yeah, at least now you know it all. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thanks for your support. Like it, at least it helps me a lot. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for your support, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.